Hi everyone, Tala here. I'm going to walk you through a specific example of how to use Screencastify. You can see that I'm in a Google slideshow right here. I have Screencastify right up here turned on. The red dot means that it is now recording, so I'm recording. That's what I'm using to make this video. But I wanted to let you know that you could easily create a slideshow here, put in a few examples of some math problems, and have students show you their thinking of how they're going to solve that problem. The example that I'm using, I got straight from the TestNav example for our students taking the MCAS test. So here I am. I clicked on this. This button, when I click on it, will show you that I'm already recording. This is what it normally looks like. I want to let you know that I chose tab right here, and I want you to know that because when I choose tab, these tools in the bottom will show up and it'll let the kids pause or draw something or use the arrow tool or put some shapes and whatnot. If I use desktop, it won't have that option. The difference is that when I do test desktop, I could have multiple tabs showing up top up there. But I only need this one tab. I only need the Google Slides. I want them to show me what they're thinking as they're working through that. So only tab will have these tools down here. So how did I set this up? I made a Google slide. I threw in a couple of math questions. Could just be one math question. And I sent it out on their Google Classroom. They open it up. They click on Screencastify. And then as soon as they click on Screencastify and I'm on the slide, I'm going to click on the pencil tool down here. I'll use red. And I'm going to say, okay, show and explain how you would solve this problem. So the students can speak at the same time that they're saying, well, in order for me to solve this problem, it's important that I line up the ones columns, the tens columns, and whatnot the right way. And they can draw as they write. They could have a pause. They could explain it to you, and I'm going to cross off, and I'm going to borrow, whatever they would do. And then they could put their final answer up here, if that were. Okay? When they're done, they're going to just come click right here on the red button again, and they would choose End Recording. When the End Recording happens, another tab pops up. And when another tab pops up, you can name it and it automatically saves to the student's Google Drive. And what's neat is that within Google Drive, as soon as they start using this, there's going to be a folder called Screencastify, and all of their recordings go to Google Drive. So it would be pretty easy for them to then just share that video back up to Google Classroom for you. Okay? I want to thank Stephanie and Marissa for having the team player and being able to load this for our students. So our students in 3rd and 4th grade will be loading Screencastify during their classes and setting it up, making sure it goes to Google so that our classroom teachers can hit the ground running with this tool.